Hi, hello everyone. Today I want to discuss the questions given in CGL, that to Tier 2 mathematics questions on 6th March 2023. So 6th March 2023 రోజు ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్లో mathematics related questions ని నేను డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, see the first question. If the curved surface area of a cylinder is 126 pi, then what, and the height is 14 centimeters, what is the volume of the cylinder? Here height is 14 centimeters is given. This is a cylinder. This is 14. And curved surface area is nothing but 2 pi RH. This is given as 126 pi. It's very easy question given. Then what is its volume? Here pi cancel. H is given as 14. 2R into 14 is equal to 126. Okay. 7 2s, 7 1s 7, 7 8s 56. Okay. And divided by 4, R value is nothing but 2 9s, 9 by 2 is R value. Then what is its volume? Volume formula is volume is nothing but pi R square H. Pi R square H. Pi as it is R square 81 by 4 into H is nothing but 14. 2 2s, 2 7s cancel. This is nothing but 7. Pi 6 7 by 2 pi. Pi 6 7 by 2 pi. If you cancel here, this is nothing but 2 2s 4, 2 8s and 2 3s 1 by 2 pi is the answer. 283 1 by 2 pi centimeter cube is the answer for this question. Okay, see this carefully. Height is given, curved surface area is given, find R and substitute find the volume directly, please. Next question. The difference between the length of two parallel sides of a trapezium is 12 centimeters. If this is a trapezium, this is B, this is A, difference is given as B minus A or A minus B is given as 12 centimeters, and perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 60. The distance is given as 60 plus perpendicular distance. If the area of the trapezium is 1380, what is the area formula? Area formula is half into sum of the parallel sides into distance between parallel sides is given as 1380. 1380. 2 1s 2 30s cancel, 0 0 cancel, 3 1s 3 4s 12, 18, 3 6 18. So A plus B is given as 46 and A minus B is given as 12. Then what they want? Then find the length of each parallel sides. If you add these two, we get 2A is equal to or B minus A or A minus B. Okay, if you consider this as A, this as B, this is nothing but A minus B place. Okay, 2A is equal to 58. So A value is 29. So one of the values is 29. Only one option is having 29 as the one side. Okay, one of the parallel sides is 29. Okay, you can take either B comma A or A comma B. Next one. A pyramid has an equilateral triangle as its base. This is an equilateral triangle. Okay, consider this as an equilateral triangle. This is equilateral. There is a pyramid like this. This is the pyramid. Each side is 8 centimeters. Each side is 8 centimeters. Here, this is 8 centimeters. And the slant edge is 24 centimeters. This is 24, even this is also 24. Slant edge is different, slant height is different. This is if you join this one and the ends of the line segment, then they are called slant edges. The whole surface area of the pyramid is, we have to find the total surface area. So to find the total surface area, we have to find the base area plus 3 triangle's area. See here, I want to draw like this. This one, see this carefully. This is nothing but an isosceles triangle. Only I want to consider this part like this. This is 24, this is 24, this is 8. If you draw a perpendicular, this is 4 comma 4 because in the case of equilateral isosceles triangle, if you draw a perpendicular, then it is passing through the midpoint of opposite side. Okay. So 4, 24 is given. Then what is its height? The height is nothing but, height means a slant height place. Here this is called slant height L is equal to root of 24 square minus 4 square. Slant height is root of 24 square minus 4 square. Take a 4 common, 4 square common here. This is 6 square minus 1, 35. So this is 4 root 35. So here, if you join this one, this is called the slant height. This is perpendicular. Okay. 4 root 35 is its height. Then what is area of this triangle? Area of triangle is equal to half into base 8 into slant height is 4 root 35. Like this we have 3 triangles. So into 3 gives 3 triangles area. 2 1s 2 4s cancel. 4 3 is 12. 12 4s 48 root 35 is the lateral surface area. 48 root 35 is only one option is having. And this is added to base area. What is base area? Base area is nothing but root 3 by 4 a square, where a is 8 square. 64 by 4, this is 16 root 3. 16 root 3. So base area is 16 root 3 and the side faces area, 3 triangles area is 48 root 35. So the answer for this question is C. Okay, no option is having 48 root 35, that's why this is the answer. Okay, next one. The number is divisible with which are the following numbers? It's a very easy question, please. See the last 3 digits carefully. 216 is divisible by 8, that's all. It is not divisible by 5, not divisible by I don't know whether it is divisible by 11 or 1, but it is divisible by 8, that's all. Okay. So only one option is correct, none of these is not there in this, so answer must be 8. Otherwise you can check, but it is a time waste process in the main examination. Okay. Next one. From the top of an upright pole 24 root 3 feet high, the angle of elevation of top of an upright tower is 60 degrees. Here this is a tower and let this be the pole. This is a pole of height 24 root 3. From this point he observed the top with an angle of elevation 60 degrees. 60 degrees. If the foot of the pole was 60 feet away from the foot of the tower, this is given as 60, this is given as 60 meters, sorry, feet. Consider this triangle, this is a right angle triangle, 60, 90, 30, opposite to 30 is opposite to 30 is 60, opposite to 60 is nothing but 60 root 3, 1 is to root 3 is to 2 is the formula. If this is 60 degrees, if this is A root 3, this is 2A. Already this is 24 root 3. So what is the total height? The total height is nothing but 84 root 3. It's very easy question again. Okay, maximum questions are related to 30, 60, 90, 45. Just apply 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Then we get the answers easily, please. Okay, na? Student, next question. The centroid of an equilateral triangle PQR is L. This is an equilateral triangle. This is the centroid of an equilateral triangle is L. This is PQR. PQ is equal to 6 means all are 6. What is the height here? Height is nothing but root 3 by 2a. A is 6, which is equal to 3 root 3. And again, centroid divide the median in the ratio 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. Therefore, PL is equal to 2 root 3. And I want to consider this as M. LM is equal to root 3. Totally 3 root 3. Okay. So the answer is PL is 2 root 3. When you kalpi 13 questions can be solved within I think 3 or 4 minutes enough to solve these questions, please. Very easy questions are giving even in tier 2 also. Tier 2 chala tough anukuntam kani chala easy ga istunadu questions. Next. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. This is a triangle ABC, right angle at B. Angle CAB is 60 degrees. If this is 60, automatically this is 30. 1 is to root 3 is to T again. AB is given as 12. 30 opposite is 12. 30 opposite is 12. 60 opposite is 12 root 3 and 90 opposite is 2 times that of 30 opposite, nothing but 24. What is BC? 12 root 3. Okay. Next question. Find the number of diagonals of a regular polygon, sum of whose interior angles is 2700. Here sum of interior angles formula is n minus 2 into 180 degrees is nothing but 2700. Very easy to solve. 0 0 cancel. 9 2s 18, 9 3s. So 2 1s 215. So n is equal to 17. So it is a regular polygon having 17 sides. Then number of diagonals. Number of diagonals formula is n into n minus 3 by 2. Actually in the examination don't write the formula and substitution. Directly substitute. 17 into 17 minus 3, 14 by 2. 2 1s, 2 7s cancel. 7 7s 49. So the answer is 119. Next question. What is the perimeter of a square inscribed in a circle of radius 5 centimeters? This is a circle. A square is inscribed in this. A square is inscribed in this. Okay. A circle of radius 5 centimeters. The radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. So this is 5 centimeters, please. 5, 5. Therefore, diagonal D is equal to 10. What they want? What is the perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square is nothing but 4a. What is a? A is nothing but d by root 2. Diagonal by root 2 gives a side. So root 2 cancel. Here we get a 2 root 2 into diagonal length is 10. So answer is 20 root 2. The answer is 20 root 2. Otherwise, if this is 10, this is 10 by root 2, 10 by root 2, 10 by root 2, 10 by root 2, nothing but 40 by root 2, which is equal to 20 root 2. Okay. Next one. The probabilities of solving a problem by 3 students A, B, C are 3 by 7, 5 by 7 and 1 by 5 respectively. What is the probability that the problem will be solved? Actually, this question is related to independent events because problem solving is independent. Okay. So here probability of solving a problem by A, P of A is given as 3 by 7. So P of A bar is nothing but 4 by 7. P of B is given as 5 by 9. Problem solving by A is B is 5 by 9. P of B bar is nothing but 4 by 9. Solving the problem by C is 1 by 5. So problem not solving the problem by C is a 4 by 5. Because solving the problem is independent, not solving the problem is also independent. Therefore, what is the probability that the problem not solved? Problem not solved is nothing but P of A bar intersection B bar intersection C bar. Because they are independent events, P of A bar into P of B bar into P of C bar. Actually, these are the steps, but not necessary in the main examination. So just to multiply these three, that gives problem not solved. Okay, so 4 by 7 into 4 by 9 into 4 by 5, which is equal to 64 by 7 nines are 63 into 5. So 315. This is problem not solved by the 3 students. Therefore, what is the problem will be solved? 1 minus 64 by 315 is the answer. Okay, so the answer is nothing but denominator is 315 LCM, 5 minus 4, 1, 31 minus 6 is 25. So answer is 251 by 315. Okay, next question. Find the exact value of cos 120. Here cos is negative in second quadrant, so answer must be negative. Only one option is there, that is the answer. Cos is negative in the second quadrant, therefore it is a minus 1 by 2. Not necessary to write cos 120 is equal to cos 90 plus 30, which is equal to minus sin 30. Okay, these are the steps actually. Cos of 90 plus 30, which is equal to minus sin 30, is equal to minus 1 by 2, 0.5, minus of 0.5. So cos is negative in the second quadrant, so only one option is there, put the answer, that's all. Yeah, see this question, this is a very simple question given. Very simple question given here. Root of 225 is nothing but 15. That 15 is added to 54. This total is nothing but 269. Sorry, 169, which is equal to 13. That 13 is added to root of 10 plus root of 25 plus 13 is added to this one, root of 121. 121 value is 11. That is added to 25, which is equal to 36. Root of 36 is 6. Again added to 10, 16. 16 root is 4. So the answer for this question is, the numerator is 4. What is the denominator here? What is the denominator? In the denominator, I want to take 4 square common. 4 square common, which is equal to 1 plus 19 1 by 4. 0.25 can be written as 1 by 4. This is 4 into 1 plus 19, 20, 1 by 4. 80 plus 1, 81 by 4 under root. 81 root is 9, 4 root is 2. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 2's cancel, which is equal to 18. Denominator is 18. 4 by 18, nothing but 2 by 9 is the answer for this question. 2 by 9. Next one. The mode of the following data. Mode is nothing but most repeated value in the given data. So see carefully 28, 31, 30, 27. Here see carefully, we have 27, 27, 27 3 times appear. 31, 30 is only once. 31 is also only once. 28 is also only once. So answer is 27. Next question. For what value of m will will the system of equations have no solution? No solution condition is A1 by A2 not equal to, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. This is the condition for no solution. What is A1 by A2? A1 18 by 7 is equal to minus 72 by minus M. Okay. So here 18 once minus minus cancel, 18 4 72. So M is equal to 28. The answer is 28. Next question. Find the value of the given expression. This is a question related to board mass rule. Okay. So here 3 minus 6 into, here the bracket value is nothing but minus 12, minus 2, minus 14 divided by 7 into minus 2 into minus 1 is 1, 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is 3 minus, this is minus into minus 6 into 14 divided by 7 into 3, 7 2s, 3 2s cancel. So 3 minus 4 which is equal to minus 1. So answer is minus 1. Okay, next one. 4x square plus y square is 40, xy is 6, then find the value of 2x plus y. Here 2x plus y whole square is equal to 4x square plus y square plus 4xy. A square plus b square plus 2ab formula. Here 4x square plus y square is given as 40 plus 4 into xy is given as 6. This is 24 plus 40, 64. Therefore, 2x plus y value is nothing but 8. So, answer is 8 for this question. Next question. For a sample data, mean is 60, median is 48. For this distribution, what is the mode? So, you have to apply the relation between mean, median and mode. Mean minus mode is equal to 3 into mean minus median. This is the formula. Or you can simplify and write the answer also, no problem. Here mean is given as 60 minus mode is equal to 3 into mean is 60, median is 48. 60 minus 48 is 12, 12 3 is 36. 60 minus mode is equal to 36. So what is mode? 60 minus 36 which is equal to 24. So answer for this question is 24. So these are the questions given in 6th March 2023 Tier 2 CGL Tier 2. Okay. Thank you very much.